Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. Japan is once again at the forefront of innovation, surprising the world with a bold leap into the future of energy. In a groundbreaking experiment, Japanese scientists have successfully generated electricity in space and sent it wirelessly back to Earth, marking a major milestone in the journey towards space-based solar power. This ambitious test was carried out as part of long-term research led by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, or JAXA, along with its partner institutions. The goal is to develop a system that can collect sunlight in space and deliver clean, continuous energy to Earth without relying on fossil fuels. So, how does this futuristic technology work? Solar panels placed in orbit captured sunlight and converted it into electrical energy. This electricity was then transformed into microwave signals and beamed down to a receiving station on Earth. On the ground, special antennas called rectennas converted the microwaves back into usable electricity. The entire process happened wirelessly, without cables, fuel transport, or physical connections. What makes space-based solar power so special is its ability to work almost all the time. Unlike solar panels on Earth, which stop producing energy at night or during cloudy weather, solar panels in space can collect sunlight nearly 24 hours a day. With no atmosphere or weather blocking the rays, sunlight in space is also much stronger and more consistent. Because of this, space-based solar power could provide steady electricity, similar to nuclear power plants, but without radioactive waste or serious safety risks. Although the amount of power generated in this test was small, enough to run simple household devices, it proved that the entire system works in space, from capturing sunlight to delivering electricity back to Earth. Engineers have described the test as an early but extremely important success. Previous experiments had only transmitted energy over short distances on Earth or from aircraft. This is the first time the complete process has been demonstrated in orbit, making it a major step forward. The potential impact of this technology is enormous. As climate change worsens and countries search for clean energy solutions, space-based solar power offers electricity without carbon emissions. In the future, large solar stations in space could send power directly to cities, remote regions, or disaster-hit areas, avoiding damaged power lines. This is especially valuable for earthquake-prone countries like Japan. Energy security is another major reason behind Japan's interest. Since the 2011 Fukushima nuclear disaster, Japan has been looking for safer and more reliable energy sources. Space-based solar power could reduce dependence on imported fuels and protect the country from global energy price shocks and conflicts. However, challenges remain. To power entire cities, future systems would need enormous solar panels in space, possibly stretching several kilometers wide. High launch costs, safe control of microwave beams, and environmental safety are key concerns. Studies so far suggest the microwave levels would be safe, and new technologies such as reusable rockets, lightweight materials, space robots, and advanced solar panels are making the idea more practical. JAXA plans to move forward step by step, aiming for larger test systems within the next decade and possible commercial use by the 2030s or 2040s. With similar projects emerging in the United States and Europe, interest in space-based solar power is rapidly growing worldwide. Japan's success highlights its leadership in using space technology to tackle climate change. By collecting sunlight in space and delivering it cleanly to Earth, this innovation could transform how the world produces energy. Stay tuned for more science and technology breakthroughs from BrainFeed TV. Here, you learned. Japan has successfully generated electricity in space and sent it wirelessly to Earth. The experiment was led by JAXA as part of space-based solar power research. Solar energy was converted into microwaves and transmitted to Earth using rectennas. Space-based solar power can work almost 24/7 without weather interruptions. This technology offers clean energy without carbon emissions or nuclear waste. Japan aims for larger tests in the coming decade and commercial use by the 2030s-2040s. Space-based solar power could reshape the future of global energy. We hope you enjoyed this exciting glimpse into the future of energy.